So I've already tried to do this once with a regular old hose clamp, and it didn't work. But what I did was I unscrewed that, and then because of the pinch clamp not having any frame of reference for one and not having the right tool to get it off, I actually had to cut the hose probably about a 1/2 inch and pry it off. So I'm trying to loosen this up now so that I can get this end out, put the pinch clamp on. The girls are back, and I think they're getting ready to go get cleaned up after their hike. The plan today was to all go on a family hike, and you see how that turned out. But that's why we don't try and make real far ahead plans. Praying this works. The thing that concerns me the most is the size of the clamp that I bought, but it looks like it's on like a pot of neck bone. So you apparently you're supposed to seat these about a 1/4 inch from the bottom of the cap. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. I'm having a hard enough time seeing as it is. So I've got the pinch clamp on. I've got the teeth on the pliers around the tab, and I'm squeezing that tab, trying to get it good and tight, hoping that it's tight enough to contain that pressure. Do a little tug test, and that cap isn't coming out, so at least from that standpoint it's secure. That's on. Hey, do you mind to flip the water pump? Let's see what's what. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good first indication. I feel water in the line. That's good. I'm gonna turn the sink on.
I'm gonna take the girls to the shower.
All right. Water's running. What I'm doing is I'm filling the sink just to see. Don't. I think we're good. So, a quick post-mortem on the kitchen sink project. What happened? Well, I'm not exactly sure. Did the clamp not get seated correctly when it was originally installed at the manufacturer? Maybe, maybe not. Did it get bumped somehow? That's not as likely because there was that board that was in front of those hoses. Maybe it got tapped above the board. It didn't go from bottom completely to top. So it is possible. The answer is, I'm not exactly certain. But what I do know is bugs are always worked out when you get a new rig, especially when you get a brand new rig directly from the manufacturer. So it's just one of those things that homeowners have to deal with, whether you're in a rolling RV, a fifth wheel, or a sticks and bricks home. And that's just one of the first things that's popped up on our radar since we've taken possession of this home. That being said, The solution was a pretty quick fix. I was able to get the tool for the job and have it all slapped together and repaired in a matter of minutes. I was able to run water through, and the water pump was on because technically we're dry camping here at this park. So we were able to send pressure through the line. We were able to push water through, fill the sink up about halfway, drain it off. Didn't find any leaks. Now, if anything else pops up, I'll be sure to make a follow-up video and update you. But as of right now, it seems like the clamps that I bought at the big box hardware store are going to do the trick. And those $9.99 pliers, they did the job as well. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for riding the roller coaster of emotions that I went through as I worked through this project. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for further updates in the future. Bye.